Here's a mind-blowing question for you. How can cold lakes, like those formed by glaciers, contribute to global warming, just like factories and cars? Now stop and drop your answers in the comments below. You're probably thinking, cold lakes, global warming? No way. Well, that's exactly what I thought until I read a fascinating research paper published just 11 months ago. It turns out cold lakes have a hidden side that might surprise you. The paper is called Trajectories of Freshwater Microbial Genomics and Greenhouse Gas Saturation Upon Glacial Retreat. Sounds wordy, right? But stick with me, because this study might just change how you view cold lakes. A small team of 6 scientists made this groundbreaking discovery. Their names are Jing, Laurent Fontaine, Nicolas Valiente, Peter Dörsch, Hessen, and Alexander Eiler. So, how did they change what we know about cold lakes? Let's find out what they discovered and why it's so surprising. Faced with quite a challenge, the team decided to study the coldest lakes in Norway. After many long hours of work, they discovered something truly surprising. When glaciers melt and form lakes, the tiny living things in the water called microbes start to change. At first, these microbes get their energy from minerals. But as the lakes get older and move farther from the glaciers, the microbes switch to using sunlight and organic matter, like dead plants, for energy. This might sound like a small detail, but it leads to something big. The team found that this change in microbes causes more methane and nitrous oxide to build up in the lakes. These gases trap heat even better than carbon dioxide, which is usually emitted by cars. This means that cold lakes are unexpected sources of powerful greenhouse gases, just like some of the transportation we use today, such as cars or airplanes. But wait, we can't just blame the microbes. There's another surprising cause in this story. It's an organism we see every day and would never suspect of contributing to this problem. Is it your Wi-Fi router? Is it your office chair? No, it's a bird. Yes, you heard that right. A bird? The scientists found that as more birds flock to these areas, they drop tiny droplets of poo into the lakes. And guess what? The microbes in the lakes love this poo. It acts like a superfood for them, speeding up their activity and causing even more greenhouse gas production. So, these birds, with their unexpected nutrient boost, are helping to turn cold lakes into hidden sources of powerful greenhouse gases. Who knew that something as simple as bird poo droppings could have such a big impact? So yes, even though cold lakes might seem harmless, the change in their microbes can create a cycle that makes global warming worse by releasing a lot of methane and nitrous oxide into the air. Pretty fascinating, right? What do you think of this discovery? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see BioByte conquer YouTube with more amazing discoveries.